and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. DJ Khaled is making the rounds with some of reggae and dancehall's greats. From Buju Banton to Sizzla Kalonji to Bounty Killer, including Morgan Heritage, and also in the mix, Usain Bolt. The DJ was also spotted biking around in August Town and also spending some quality time in the studio with Sizzla Kalonji.
It's my God, no, I'm here for a reason. Put my trust in the Most High, and my prayers are so consistent. And who would have thought it would be like this today? Nothing but prayers, lift up your head like in the jungle. I tell ya, hear who I've been blessed.
Dancehall artist Idonia is set to release a new album. Fourth Jenna Boss is currently working on his next body of work due at the top of the year. Following his scintillating performance at Magnum Explosion over the weekend, the Yaya DJ spoke with E-Prime and shared details on his new music.
We get out all we can get out from now. You see my mixtape, you see my couple single, couple juggling and couple things. Once it goes and touch January, you know, say this or now, the album works coming because we look for drop the first single but March or so, you see me, full album by summer song. I'm mad praying. It's a whole different vibe from the usual thing we did the deal, you see me, so it's a vibe, man, you see me.
One of the most recognized voices in the industry, Idonia has been consistently on dancehall airwaves. The VVS DJ recently dropped 2 new singles, Big Baller, which brags about his expensive lifestyle, and Finessing, which details his growing wealth. Idonia is currently gearing up to drop his latest single, the Christmas party anthem, Dom Perignon. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.